What is a cardiac murmur? So I get this question a lot. A murmur is created when there's laminar flow or flow that is obstructed or just not going correctly. So let's say your valve is supposed to be this open, but it's a little tighter. The same volume of fluid still has to get across. Imagine a garden hose, when you put your thumb over it, it goes out faster. It's like it whooshes out of there because the same amount of volume of water that was on the inside needs to get to the outside despite it needing to get around your thumb. So if you have a tight valve, that can happen. Some murmurs can also happen if you have a wide open leaky valve. If the valve's supposed to be like this, but it's like wide open and blood is just, whooshing through it very quickly, that can also happen. The most common murmur is aortic stenosis murmur. You can watch my video about that. That's the most easily detectable murmur by most people, and you shouldn't get it wrong. But I hope that helps. That's what murmurs are. We usually get an echocardiogram, an ultrasound of your heart, to find out what exactly is going on.